Hello guys! Good morning! Today is Teacher's Day at wala kaming pasok. And may pa-buffet lunch ang aming school. So all the teachers are going there to have lunch at Peach Garden in Thomson Plasa. So come along with me and let's see what's in there. So I'm now heading out. I'll be meeting my Laotian. We're gonna meet each other at the taxi stand. I will meet pala at the MRT, not taxi stand. Hello friends, meet my Laotian.
Hello.
In Chinese, in Chinese.
你们好。
This is Laotian's $1,200. What's this? Gucci? Yes. Is it Gucci bag? Oh my gosh, I will not buy this ever. Laotian bought this froyo from KFC. Shesheni. Hey, sheshe.
这里5种汤，你们只能选一种，一人选一种。今天的老火汤是猪肚汤，你要鱼翅的话，你选的鱼翅就其他汤就不能选了啊。所以你们自己选的比较好，因为有时他们选的话，你们顾客就没有得在。打最佳是第二次玩。
Wala ko naiintindihan.
Hello guys, so now I'm back home. Yan, kakagaling lang from the lunch with my colleagues. Okay naman yung food pero hindi ganun kasarap. So now I'll be doing some script and editing of some of the videos that I did. We are outside and we are going to buy a vlogging camera. Tabi-tabi ka dyan. Ito ang tissue eh.
Ha?
Ito ang tissue.
Saan?
Here.
Saan? Meron pa rin ang ano eh. Kumuha pa ako.
Just bought a vlogging camera. I'm so happy. Mag-unboxing tayo. Okay, So, this is the Sony RX 100V5. Ang gusto ko sanang kunin talaga is yung Canon G7X Mark II. Kaya lang, na-sales talk ako ni Kuya. Ang sabi niya, mas maganda daw to. At, mas maganda nga. Tapos, meron siyang 64GB na memory card. There's the manual. Ang tagal. Ang tagal lumabas. Ayun. Woo! Ang ganda niya, guys. Super linaw. As in, sobrang linaw. Good morning! Vlogging with the new camera. So guys, I'll end the vlog here now, and I'd like to know how you spend your weekend. Please comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!